Asuntoskeittiö Heikki ja Laakso Puualhonpolku 5 in Kerava staircase B.
Puualhonpolku 5 staircase B Kerava. Helsinki region has supports versions of 20 km. Amazing old Kone elevator. Built in 1974, turning 45 years old this year, 2019. This inspection is late. It should have been inspected in the last year, 2018. Page 31289, with some floors. So amazing.
Yeah.
We need to get into staircase A as well.
Yeah.
Shall we take 2 rides in this?
Yeah.
Because it wasn't inspected last year.
Yeah.
It's late. And see, last time was 3 years and 4 months ago.
Yeah.
Today is the 10th of August 2019. Wow. How can it be so late? But it hasn't had problems.
Yeah.
So that's why they haven't needed to inspect it. I think that's how they do it. They put it, the sticker, but they inspect when needed.
Yeah.
And right now it's not needed because it's working fine. Alright.
Inspected by inspector and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Oh, this was an amazing find.
Yeah.
But I would also like to film the classic with automatic doors to elevators.
Yeah.
Kerava, one weekday.
Yeah.
Sometime, maybe in September.
Yeah.
Because Finland has filmed it.
Yeah. That's it.